rich niggas. You know, so we ain't really never had no old money.
Hey guys, what's up? It is Chi here. So, a couple days ago, I actually was editing a video and I was gonna go put it up, and then I found out I accidentally deleted half of the content in the video. So I cried, and the video was a sewing video. It was gonna show you guys how I made this really cute two-piece set that was like baby pink, very princess vibes, and yeah, I got deleted. But I really wanted to do something fun with this set just because I kind of feel like it would have been a waste if I didn't. So I set myself to a challenge, and I basically decided to wear this set all week, but wear it in a different way so that it's like a different outfit every single day. The goal was I wanted nobody to be like, haven't you worn that already? Like yesterday? Since the set is baby pink, no one said anything, but I actually feel like they were just saying, no one said anything because they didn't care, not more like they didn't notice. But either way, who cares? But I wanted to show you guys how I basically wore this set 7 different ways. Just know this is a reenactment of my week because my life is not together enough to film every single morning, sadly. But anyway, let's get started and I will show you all my looks. The first day I decided to wear the skirt, but not the top. It was a Monday, so I wanted to look cute, but it was also a Monday, so I didn't want to put a whole lot of effort into it. I paired the skirt with just a black shirt that I wore off the shoulder. I love wearing like button-ups like this off the shoulder because it kind of gives it a really romantic vibe.
We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad, cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too.
Tuesday I wore the full set and decided to just throw this blazer thing over it. It's like a blazer dress combo, but it's honestly too tight, so I just wear it like a jacket. I wore a beret also because the jacket was giving me a Parisian vibe, and I'm really into that kind of aesthetic nowadays, so just any chance I can get to wear a beret, I take it. And then I had my Gudetama bag. This is actually what I put all my skincare in whenever I need to, but I've been so lazy to get a backpack that when I need to take my laptop somewhere, I just dump all my skincare out and use this for my laptop instead.
On records, got records on records, so my money making my back pay. You niggas got a low accurate. We from the north, get that way. Back to keep blunt in the ashtray. You bitches, this national smash day. Hop in the love.
Wednesday, I woke up late, so instead of going to class, I decided to just ditch and hang out with friends. It was chilly as F in the morning, and I rarely get to wear my leather jacket in the Houston heat, so anytime I get the chance, I just throw it on. I paired it with a big chunky belt because the skirt is actually pretty short, so wearing the belt is a good hack to kind of lower my skirt and make it look a little bit longer without it having look like it's resting on a weird place.
Out of space, kid, trying to introduce me to your bitch's wife, and we know she slutty. Broke a brick down, nutty, buddy, nutty.
Thursday was cold like all day, so I was actually freezing with how short the skirt was, so I decided to layer as much as I could. I wore this huge jacket I thrifted. It's like the warmest coat I've ever owned, and on the inside I wore a shirt that says NYC, and I bought this from Forever 21, and I just kind of tied up the front. Also, on that day I did wear pantyhose, but I just didn't want to deal with putting it on again for this video, so imagine that.
Yeah, that way. Float on the track like a Segway. Yeah, that way. I used to trap by the subway. Yeah, that way. Young nigga trap with the AK. Yeah, that way. Big Dyko, get it dope.
Friday it was warmer, but I threw on some pants instead. These are my funky kind of shredded pants that I wear when I'm feeling in a fun mood. I also wore a see-through mesh shirt under the top. It's really mixed and matched and kind of a weird look. And when I walked out of the house that day, I was kind of like, wondering what I was wearing, but I still think it was fun. And life's too short to worry about if you look weird or not, as long as you like it. Saturday was a friend's b-day, so I wore the skirt again with this bathing suit. I love how the top looks, so I wear it a lot, and plus it's efficient for if I ever want to go swimming in the middle of November. At this point, I felt like my looks were getting redundant, so I wore a skinny like snakeskin belt. It's faux, by the way, no duh, to just make the look a little more different. Lastly, on Sunday, I kind of just repeated the look I had on Friday and threw my leather jacket on it. But then I remembered this hack I used to do a lot in high school, and what I would do is I would take a maxi skirt and I'd wear it like a scarf. So I took my skirt and tried to do the same thing I did in high school, and then I finished it off with this plaid skirt I'm so in love with.
Oh, well, it's only been 61 minutes, I think. Clink ice cubes with the straw, the table's candles forming puddles. Rest my fist below.
And that was my week. I had fun coming up with ways to wear this, and it made me really get a use out of the creation I made. I hope you guys like this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.